From quick retouching to professional graphic designs, learn easily. In this tutorial, I intended to show you how to design Nike Air Jordan posters in Photoshop. After recording and editing the video, I realized that the images used from the Nike website are copyrighted, so I couldn't publish it. Therefore, I created new images using artificial intelligence and replaced the original ones. These images don't fully match the background in colors. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough time to re-record the video, but with this experience, in future videos, we will explore more creative methods, such as abstract typography for the background, so you can create professional designs in the shortest time. The PSD files for this design are in the description, so you can check them and edit them to your liking. Tip: artboards help you manage multiple designs in one file. In this section, simply enter the desired dimensions, set the resolution, 72 or 300 dpi, and choose the RGB color mode, keeping the artboard option enabled.
Ideas, graphics,